Guys, I am Ranjit from India Tech Expert and today I will show you how to solder two wires together easily. First you need to adjust your solder iron to 400 degrees Celsius and you also need two cables. In the next step, you have to split both cables. For this you can use a skizzer, a razor or a wire stripper. In our case, we will use a skizzer and this will work totally fine. After you have stripped the cables, it should look something like this.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good morning. Thank you, please. Your telephone is ringing. Please pick up. It is most important. Please. Thank you, please. Goodbye. Thank you. Hello.
Now you fix the two cables that they are connecting with each other. It's really important that you now use a lot of solder. The more you take, the better the two cables will hold together. It's like curry. If you take really much curry, your food will taste much better. As you can see, the two wires held together perfectly and won't break. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. You can also follow us in TikTok.